All right, let's go, people. We're going to start right now. We're at 85. Let's see if we can get more people. Once we start, it will be hard to. All right, let's start. Okay. All right, let's go, people. I think they're easy questions, but you all can tell. Three, two, one, go. When was GDPR enforced? I know you can Google. I use ChatGPT, but before you get there, somebody has answered it. Excellent. Let's go. Awesome. All right, next one. Ooh, oh my, is not playing games. Okay, let's go. So, what sparked GDPR creation? What sparked the creation? Think about it for a second. What sparked GDPR creation? Cloud computing, encryption, increased surveillance, inconsistent laws. Inconsistent laws. Yep. Ooh, where did these guys come from? Oh man, you all are not playing games. Oh, I love this. What is a data controller? What is a data controller? Now, if you've looked at the book, yeah, you might have seen that part of it. Decides data use, process data only, has no obligation, only you based. Excellent. Decides data use. Man, okay, love it. Which is the key data subject right? Right to access, right to sell data, right to delete only, right to ignore. What right do we have? Yep, right to access. Man, this is one of those weird. What does GDPR apply to? What does GDPR apply to? Only data in the US, EU citizen data, only EU companies, only government data. EU citizen data. That's true. Man, this is awesome, man. What is the privacy by design? What is privacy by design? That's right. Integrity privacy early. Oh boy. What is a data subject access request? Right. What is a misconception about GDPR? What is one misconception? All data is exempt. Only EU companies comply. Only personal data matters. Data must be encrypted. Yeah, it's a misconception. Not only EU, any other organization. Wow. What is the age of digital consent? If you read the book, which I don't know if all of you have read it a lot, what is the age of digital consent? It's creepy, but uh, let me give you a clue. Of course, every country is different, right? So I was surprised some countries' consent is actually 13. Yeah, I think UK is probably 13 years old. That's funny. What is the role of a data processor? I think the name should. So, what is the key takeaway from GDPR? I agree. Global compliance needed. I love it. Man, oh man. Heh. What does GDPR stand for? That's bonus. General Data Privacy Regulation, General Data Protection Regulation. Thank you. What is a common violation of GDPR? What is a common violation? Yep. What is the purpose of GDPR? What is the core purpose of GDPR? Thank you, everybody. We'll be out of here in the next 7 minutes. All right. We try to stick to time here. Excellent. Personal, protect personal data. That's right. Okay, let's see. What is a data subject? What is a data subject? Excellent. What is the significance of GDPR globally? Excellent. You all are just amazing, folks. All right, so let's see. We have two more. What is the key principle of GDPR? Data sharing, data selling, data minimization, data maximization. Excellent. Ooh, amazing. Ha ha ha. This is crazy. This is awesome, folks. Okay, the final one. This is double point, so you can probably catch anybody. What's the role of consent in GDPR? What is the role of consent in GDPR? It's not required at all, essential for processing, only for EU citizens, only for minors. Thank you, Abigail. Excellent, essentially for, okay. And third place, Crystal in the house. Second place, Kenny T in the house. and the undisputed champion of the world, Esther in the house. All right, thank you all. Esther just got $75 gift card. Ken in the house, $50 gift card, Amazon. And Crystal in the house, $25 gift card from Amazon. Thank you. Now, for all our winners, if you don't mind, do us a favor right now. Immediately, can you just send me your a quick text right now just to confirm I have your information, but please just send it to me right now. Make sure you send it to me right now with your email and your full name. And thank you everybody for being part of it. We have 4 minutes to go, and thank you, thank you. Just keep showing up. I challenge every one of us. At the end of the day, I know all we can control is just keep improving yourself. We are not of the illusion anything is automatic, but one thing I know is that there is power in incremental growth. Those little victories here and there, they add up. So I'm going to share the winner board with the larger group so that we all have, and just give them some love and celebration. It's not easy. I'll tell you, Esther, Kenny, Crystal, you guys are awesome. All right, can see Kenny send me a text already? Please, can you, Esther, can you send me a text real quick? And Crystal, please send me a text. If you don't send it to me, then I would have no record. And don't get mad at me if you don't get your reward. But send it to me right now, please, if you don't mind. And I will make sure you probably get it tonight. I'll have my team send a gift card from Amazon to you all tonight. Check your email and you should get your gift card. But thank you once again, everybody. Thanks for being part of our community. As always, keep doing great things. A few of you have asked me about all the upcoming programs. I'll quickly share with us real quick. Just go to the website as always. Always check out what's coming up in our community. We'll try and not overwhelm you with information, but every now and then you see us share stuff. You can go to the free courses here. This is the internship. We're going to upload all that information out there. Then this is for the upcoming class for August. You can feel free to share with your contact also. And we look forward to seeing you. Keep doing great things. I wish you Godspeed. Thanks for spending your time with us this evening. And enjoy summer, enjoy time with family, and God bless. Thanks, everybody. Good night.
We're leaders of
Thank you all.
all.
Thank you, everybody.
Embrace the tempo. Let your dreams take storm. Rise up, leaders. Let the beat guide your